Alright guys, we're cooking up some really thick ribeyes tonight. You can see how thick these things are. So what I'm going to be doing is something a little bit different. I'm going to be reverse searing these. I'm going to put them in the smoker. That's what the wood pellets are for. And then these are smoking wood chips as well. But I'm going to show you something that I do with these. I'm not going to use them for smoking. I'm going to use them for like a topping on top of the charcoal. I'll show you later. But I wanted to show you guys these kits, because if you're not really sure what flavor you want to use and you want to try something out, check this out. We got premium blend hickory, sweetwood apple, another supreme blend. This is the one we're using today, is the mesquite, and then cherry oak, and the wood chips as well have a nice variety pack. Apple, mesquite, hickory. We're going to be using the hickory. I think maybe the mesquite. I'm not sure yet. But we're using one of them for sure. You'll see later. But yeah, I wanted to just show you guys this nice kit, because I think it's pretty cool that it can come with you don't have to buy the whole bag to see what you like. So let's go ahead and start the steaks. Alright, here's the steaks on the pellet smoker. They're looking good. We're about to move on to the next stage of reverse searing these things. They're almost the temperature. Okay, so what I'm going to do, go ahead and put these right on the flame here. See, this one I've already done. You want to get that nice sear on there and then move it off the flame. Just kind of sealing the juices in. See there, that's after one side. That was probably 45 seconds. Okay, we got them off the grill now. We're going to cover them with tinfoil. And she's going to throw, don't mind the fireball in the background. She's going to throw a towel on there. This is how we're going to let it set. I'll let it set for about 15. And we'll be back. Alright guys, this is the end result. You can see these are perfectly cooked. I'm going to have Chrissy cut into one. This one right here. Go ahead and cut right into the middle. There we go. Nice. Just the right amount of pink. I took these off at 125, reverse seared them straight into the flame. That's how they turned out. So, there's your little reverse sear trick for you guys. And how are they?
Perfect.
Perfect. All right. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.